Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to record Roblox with OBS. Alright, let's begin. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. If you're starting fresh, click the plus icon under Scenes to add a new scene. Name it and click OK. Next, add a source. Click the plus icon under Sources and select Display Capture. Name your display capture and hit OK. Then choose the monitor you want to record and click OK again. Now your screen should be visible in OBS. Make sure your desktop audio and mic are turned on. If they are off, toggle them on from the audio mixer section. At this point, your setup is ready. Click Start Recording in OBS and launch your Roblox game. OBS will record everything on the selected display, including your game. Once you're done, return to OBS and click Stop Recording. Your video will be saved automatically in your selected folder. So that's basically how you can record Roblox with OBS. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.